Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a random act of kindness. Anyway, so this random act of kindness has come from FP Handmade. I was not expecting this, and I was so thankful to have seen this package arrive, and I'm just so thankful that you thought about me, Felicia. So I am going to share this rack that I got from her, and please stick around to the end. Wow. Now, let me show you this. All of this, all of this came in the package. And I was just like so amazed when I seen her do some destashes. There were a few things in there that I had wanted. And I just didn't, I don't believe I said anything. But anyways, those things were in this random act of kindness. So I'm so thankful. So anyways, let's start out. I got this set from Trinity Stamps. Got this set here. Just really pretty items here. This one here. Love, love, love it. This here. And I'm going to go through the rest kind of quickly. But oh my gosh, what an act of kindness. Thank you so much, Felicia. I really appreciate it. Oh my, so much stuff. So much. So much. Here was one of the items that I had wanted. I had thought about picking up this one. Just so nice. Oh my gosh. And a lot of these items are new, never been used. This one here came with dice. This one's new, brand new, still in. I don't think ink has ever touched that one. And then this one is from Anna Griffin. Now, if you stuck around, because some of these items I won't use, so I want to share these items along with some more items that I'll be adding into the stash to give to one of you as a random act of kindness. So what you will need to do is to go over to my Instagram and contact me there, which is mo_creations, and tell me that you would like to receive this random act of kindness, and make sure you give me your mailing address so that I can send it to you. And in order for you to let me know, make sure you have R.A.K or random act of kindness so that I'll know that you've seen my YouTube channel. And so I'll have my Instagram channel come across the screen so that we'll have the correct spelling and you can contact me there. So these are some of the items that I will be adding to the stash, and it might be a little bit more. I'm going to add this. Never been used. 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 So make sure you contact me. I may or may not throw this one in there too. I'm not sure yet, but it might be in there as well. And who knows what else might be in the package, just as long as I can fill the package just about as full as hers. Felicia, I hope that's okay with you, that I share some of the love that you've given to me, and I'm going to pass it on to somebody else. All right, so make sure you head over to my Instagram. First come, first serve. So if you're the first person who gets in contact with me on Instagram with your mailing address, and you have to be U.S. residents only. then I'm going to send you this package. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.